Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We make many types of dishes from spinach, but today I am going to make very special spinach kofta curry. Spinach kofta is very delicious recipe. If you make it at your home, you will definitely like this recipe. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also give your feedback to us. So let's see what we need to make spinach kofta curry. Here I have taken spinach, cleaned and chopped. It is 250 gram, and 2 tomato, 1 inch of ginger, 6 to 7 garlic and 4 chilies. We will grind it. Here I have taken 2 onion. I will grind it also. I have taken gram flour. It is 1 cup. Some spices for making pakodi. It is half teaspoon red chili, half teaspoon coriander and half teaspoon turmeric. Some green coriander finely chopped. 2 chilies finely chopped, and I have taken half teaspoon of cumin, salt as per taste, and also I have taken some spices, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of red chili and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now here I have grind onion. Now I will grind tomato also. I have chopped it roughly. Here I have grinded it, you can see. Now I will make kofta. For this I have added spinach. All the spinach I have added. Add some spices, red chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. Add 2 chilies which is finely chopped. You can skip chili if you want to. Salt as per your taste, you can add. Now add gram flour little bit. Add little bit, now mix, then add little bit, then mix. The gram flour should bind the spinach. I will bind it with my hand. It is too easy to bind or mix it with your hand. Here I am mixing it. You can see. Mix it really well. Now it is done. It is very thick, and we have just binded the flour with the spinach. Now we will make koftas. Take a pan and add some oil for making kofta. Now heat well and add kofta. You can make kofta according to your taste, like you can make it big or small, however you like. Here I have added some koftas and fry it until golden brown. When they fry one side, then flip it. Make pakoras really well. Flip all the pakoras. You can see the pakoda has changed the color. Our pakoras are ready. Now take them out. So take them out in a plate and make all the pakoras like this. Make sure the flame of the gas is medium. Here I have added another batch and make it very nicely. Here it is done, and I will take them out also. So our pakoras are ready and we will go into next process. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil. It is hot. Now I have added cumin seeds. Here I have added half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now add onion which is grinded. I have grinded it nicely. Now mix it and fry it until golden brown. It will cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Now it is done and here I will add tomato puree which I have grind. Now mix it and cook it really well for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I will add all the spices which I have taken. So here all the spices I will add into kofta. Now mix it and cook it nicely. It will take 2 or 3 minutes. Fry it till the oil separate. You can see it is ready. Now I will add water. If you want thin gravy, add more water, and if you want thick batter, add little bit of water. Here I have added a glass of water. Mix it nicely. Here it is boiling. Now add salt. Remember that you have added salt before, so add little bit of salt here or as per your taste. Here I have added salt. Now add coriander. It will taste nice and mix it. It is boiling. Now add all the koftas. Here I am adding koftas. I have added all the kofta. Now mix it nicely and cook it for 1 minute. Here it is cooked and now I will serve it in a plate. You can see it looks nice and it is very easy to make, and I will serve it in a plate. Here I have served it. Now I will garnish it with some green coriander. You can see it is looking great, and if you make it at your home you will definitely like this recipe. And if you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can see it is looking very nice. You can have it with paratha or rice. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you.